Davies, and I'm the president of the Investment Club here at Indian River State College. Did you know that 2/3 of millennials are more inclined to save than they are to spend money? However, individuals under the age of 35 are not saving money and struggling with basic budgeting. Are you struggling with your budget? Are you able to save money? People like you and I need financial guidance to influence a more successful future. Well, good news. Disney's Contemporary Resort is holding this year's Money Show, and your investment club is going to attend. You may ask, what is the Money Show? We will see some of the most important investment icons, and it's all included in a one-day event that has multiple conferences and lectures. They'll be focusing on educating you and me on the importance of investing, budgeting, and saving. This event is open to everyone. Are you in our nursing or culinary program? Are you even a college athlete? Are you majoring in digital media, education, or even astronomy? Great! Anyone who's enrolled at IRSC is more than welcome to join us at the Money Show. One last thing, there is a $20 fee that is included to attend the trip. The fee includes transportation, a complimentary lunch, and an investment club polo shirt. The Money Show is a great event to attend to get insight on investing strategies, entrepreneurship, networking, and more. We encourage you to join us on having the opportunity to network with major investment firms. We would love to have you at the Money Show. Wait. Before you go, please contact us by phone or by email. Thanks.